Hi guys, it's me again, Christoph Andrew. If you are watching right now, please don't forget to like and share this video and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. We have another day of unboxing from random blind boxes from PopMart and Kika Goods. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. Before we begin the unboxing, let me show you first the one box that I received from PopMart. This one is a freebie from my recent purchase. This is a pop display box for Space Molly. So I never thought or imagined that they have like this. So surprisingly, I got one. So let's see. The box that they have is so cool, and I like the artwork because of the black and white and silver. I guess this is silver, it's not white. It looks premium, but let's see if the Space Molly 100% fits in with this blind box. Let me open this one. I guess PopMart is not selling this kind of display box. I'm not sure. If you have an idea, you can comment down below. But again, this is my first time having this one. So let me show you first. Okay, oh yeah. This one is so cool, guys. Look, I like the design. I like the finishing of this acrylic display box for Space Molly 100%. Looks really premium. I like it. You can open this one in this section. I have one Space Molly 100% here as a sample, and I'm going to show it to you how it looks like. I suggest they should make an acrylic box for 400% as well, right? That will be very, very cool and amazing. Look, guys, I like the design. I guess if you're going to buy a lot of these or a multiple of these acrylic display box, you can connect them together because of this section. Like it's like a piece of puzzle that you will connect to the other acrylic box. Yeah, this one is so cool. I guess, or they should sell this one in their website or in their orange app or black apps, right? If you want this type of acrylic box as well, guys, you can comment down below. Let me begin the unboxing with our PopMart item, which is the Molly One Day of Molly series. I believe this one is already out in the market. I'm not sure because I'm not seeing this one in the website, and even in their online shop, like the black and the orange app. And the box is so colorful, very candy vibe. They have 12 design, confirmed design, and one secret. And it seems like they have a lot of beautiful designs here. But the one that I really want to get, or my prio, is the fast food. This one, the morning with the, I guess because with the crown. Also, I like the one which is the poo poo or the movie time. Actually, they are all beautiful and adorable. So let's see, guys, if which one we are gonna get from this blind box. I only have one of these. If this one is beautiful and good quality, I should find a way to look for another blind box for this series. So let's see, guys. Let me open this one at the bottom part with no picking. Okay, so they surprisingly they didn't use a molly foil with this series. They used the typical foil of PopMart. The figure is very, very small. Yeah. So let's see. Our first figure for today. One, two, three. Oops! Oh! She looks like a little Red Riding Hood. Look, guys. It's not my prio. But then again, this one looks really, really cool and beautiful. I like the material that they use here. It's a matte finish. And at the same time, what I like about this one is the head of Molly here is tilting. You can turn it around like this. And I believe this one inspired by the Little Red Riding Hood. Because of the inclusions, it's like it has a basket of buns or bread. Look, guys, it's so small. It just so happened that it has only one bread as an inclusion. Very, very tiny one. Look, let me show you the art card first. Oh, there's another inclusion here. Okay. Let me show you first the art card. I like the pink color and the combination of yellow and green. Green, it's very candy-like. Okay, I guess this is a collaboration with Kenny's work because it mentioned here Pop Mart X Kenny's work. Let me show you. Yeah, Pop Mart X Kenny's works. Oh, one day with Molly reading time. This one is really cool. I like the art card. I like the illustration. Very artistic. And there's another inclusion here. A lot of inclusion. Hmm. There is a book. I guess this is a stand. And yeah, look guys, it's mentioned here Riding Hood. Can you see this one? The gold font. And this one is a book. I like this bookmark that peeking out. So this is the stand of Molly. She can sit like this. And there is another inclusion which is a wine, a bottle of wine. Very cool. I like the intricate details. Very small one. You can put again this one in the basket together with the bread like this. I'm out of focus. This one is so cool and you just have to put beside Molly. Let me show you. Look guys, this one is really cool. I don't know why this series is out in the it's not available in the website, but this one really cool and adorable. If you like me to get another boxes of One Day Molly series, please comment down below. Let's proceed with the next box, which is Ziga. I have two Ziga here. I have the We Are All Kids and the Borderline Drifter series. I have few pieces of Ziga for We Are All Kids series, which is the opening act. I have this one, the shielding and the healing. One, two, three. Yes, I have three of these figures. So I'm hoping to get a secret this time, or maybe I wanna get the new clothes or the one in the cover, which is the watch out for the bad guys. So let's see. Let me open at the bottom part. Oops. Okay. This one is a very heavy box. Heavy figure, I guess. Oops. Oh, this is a typical one. Typical foil. So one, two, three. Yo! Whoa! Yes, this one is so cute. The one in the cover. The one that I really like. Okay. It mentioned here, watch out for the bad guys. I guess this one is like a mousetrap. Yes, and Siga is like a cheese because she is wearing a cheese type of dress, and also she has a piece of cheese on her head. And what I like about this one is the chip eye that they always use for Ziga. It contrasts with the color because of um, the yellow palette that they use for cheese, and on her hair it contrasts the blue eyes of Ziga here. This one you cannot can you stand this one like this? Yeah, but if I have a chance like to suggest with this one, you can put a little stand at the back so that it will looks like a frame. But this one really cool, very intricate details. Even the cut cheese is really good. Uh, There is a word help here in the dress of Ziga, and it looks like she's trying to catch the bad guy here, and yeah, she's the one that like a piece of cheese waiting for his bad guys to get her. This one's really cool. I like this one. Let me show you the art card. Yes, this one is watch out for the bad guys. And I really like the artwork of the art card of Siga. Very they are really doing a great job of doing a good artwork with the Siga's art card. I just hope that everyone will do this. And this one is one of my favorites. If you like Ziga here as a cheese trap, you can comment down below. Let's proceed with our next box, which is another Ziga from Borderline Drifter series. They have 12 confirmed figures from this collection and one secret. I believe I have few pieces of this, which is the forest hat and the resting boots. So the one that I really wanna get are these two with the birds, which is the bird above the rooftop and the clutching blue. Yeah, I wanna get either of these two. So let's see. Let me open again. Oops. Careful. Okay. Oh, no spoiler. Oh. So one, two, three. Oh, who's this? Oh no. This one's really cool. Very different. Siga here looks like a piece of axe, and she's like a tree swayed by the wind. Look guys, and at the bottom part of the tree trunk is like an axe. And what the cool thing about this one is like it really looks like a metal, but it's not. It's a PVC type. And this is a very intricate details and very artistically done. Oh, this one is so cool. Surprisingly, I like this one. Very nice art. Siga is like a ghost. Yeah, I like the green eyes of Siga here. She's swayed by the wind, and she imitates like a a big tree with a big chunk. It's like it. She is reminding like we should stop cutting trees like that. Very nice one. Let me show you the art card. This one is so cool. So there is another stand with Siga. It replicates a shadow of a tree, which is her. Look, guys, I like the stand. You can stand like this. This one is so cool. I like this one. Okay. Oops. Okay. Look, guys. Look, this one is so cool. And even the art card is very artistic, very colorful. This is the leverage for growth. I like this one. Very cool art toys. Very nice one. Surprisingly, Ziga is so underrated, but they are very nice figure, very artistic. I like this one. If you like artistic art toys, guys, or figure, you better get Ziga as well. And if you like this one, you can comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with these three boxes from Hey One I believe under Kika Goods as well. So I got three from this series of Ozai. This is Ozai, the Hooded Adventures mini blind box. So let me start unboxing the first box. I like the box because it's so colorful and very artistic. I like the illustration, and they have so many figures which has 16 styles and 2 secrets. So I'm hoping to get a secret and not duplicates from this series. And what I really want to get from this collection, it's not translated in English. So, but I want to get this one as well, this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's see any of these figures because they look so cute and adorable. Let me open the first one. I hope this one is a very cute figure. Wait, this one is a very big box, but looks very light figure. I'm not sure. I don't wanna show you any spoiler. I hope there won't be. Oh, okay. Okay. In one box, oops, no picking. In one box, there is 3 foil. So in every box, there will be 3 figures. So it's like a bin. Okay. So I hope it's not that I won't get any duplicates from this series. So this one is a beans. So I like their foil. I like the branding of this eyepiece. So let's see. Let me open first the first bean from this series. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, this one is very cute. I like the gradient color of white and blue. He looks like a clouds with a star, a gray star. Look, with a gray star matching with his gray hair, with a gray crescent moon on the side. Okay, what's the name of this guy? I'm not sure. It's not here. There's no name. Let me find it for you, but this one looks very, very cool. I like the cloud that it has an eyes as well. And also here like a crossed eye one, but looks so cute. This one is so cute. Let me open the second foil. So 1, 2, 3. Ah, cute. I like this. I like that they use a translucent material with Ozai here. And it shows like Ozai is a little devil. Look, even the hoodie of Ozai here is like with horns and um it looks like they're trying to scared someone here. I like this one. I like the material that they use here. I like the gradient color of pink and orange. It's like a pomelo. And there is a small friend of Ozai here, if you can see. I like this one. This one looks cool. Looks guys. They are cute. Let me open the third foil. 1, 2, 3. Oh no! I like this. Look, guys. Look. It's like Ozai here is a cut cactus on the top of the cactus. Look, I like the material that they use here. It's a long flacked finish, and I like the head of Ozai here. This one's very, very cool, very artistic. I like the intricate details. I like the mini feet of Ozai here. Look, guys, this one is so cool. He looks like an onion. Look, guys, at the back. This one is very cute. I like this tree. Oh no, they are so cute. Can I see the other? Oops, inclusion if there is. Okay. So this is the only art card that they have. I'm not sure. The Hooded Adventures. Nothing. But I don't know which one that I got here. Okay, this is the one that I got. Okay, these three together. 1, 2, 3. Okay, nice one. You like anything from this figure, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, before I'm going to proceed with our next box of Osai, let me commend the Heiwan company for making a good job of a good branding of their shipping box. Looks, guys, see you in the theater. Even their shipping box is branded with their IPs, and this one really really cool. I just want to commend them only for this one. So guys, let's proceed with our next box. So from this collection, we already got this three. So I hope there will be no duplicates from what I got, and I hope we'll get a secret because surprisingly, it has three figures in one box. So I guess this one is a worth of money. Like, it's cool to get this one, worth the price. So let's see. Okay. Oops. Careful. Okay. We got another three foil from this box. One, two, three. So let me open the last one first. I hope it's a secret. One, two, three. Oh, he looks like a stone one with a mini daisy flower. Even the friend of Ozai here is like a stone. He's sleeping. Let me show you which one I got here. Okay, which one I got? Okay, this one, the one on the top figure. So this one is so cool. Very, very nice. I like the materials that they use here. It's like a rubber, but the face of Ozai here is a matte finish. Very nice one. He looks like a rock with sprouting some grass at the back and small daisy flower. So let's see. Let me proceed with the second foil. One, two, three. Oh, this one is cool as well. Look, he looks like a ghost. Surprisingly, these figures are so cool. Which one did I get? Okay, the one beside him. Okay, this one is like a what you call that one? The duck with the you have to key the ducks to move like a toy duck. Yeah, this one's cool. I like the gradient color of his dress. It's a white to yellow to gold, and even at the back part, it's like he looks like a stone as well. They have the same texture of the first one that I got from the second box. Yeah, look guys, even at the back part, they looks the same. Looks the same texture. This one is so cool. I like them. I should get more. ah, but this one is my favorite. This one is my fave. Look guys, looks so cool. Let me open the last foil. Okay. So one, two, three. Oh, I like this one. It's very devil red. Look, who's this? It looks like they are together because this is the the third figure that I got. I like this one. Even it's glossy, I like it. I like the how the color red is so cool. He looks like a volcano, like he's trying to knock out something. Look, guys, he's wearing a glove, which he looks like a boxer. And it mentioned here KO, which is knockout. I like the red hoodie. He looks it seems like he's wearing a mini devil red hoodie. And what I like about this one is the smoke, the angry smoke coming out on his head. It's translucent one. It's like a flame. Very nice one. Guys, look, this is so cool. I should get more. Oh, I'm sad I didn't get more of this. But this one is so cool. Let me put this one here all together. These three. Looks very, very cool, guys. So far, these two are my favorites. So before I'm going to proceed with our third box, you can comment down below. Let's proceed with our last box. I'm sad because I should get more of this because they looks very cool and adorable. So from this series, I already got this three on the top part and the other three on the second part. So I hope I'll get secret or special edition from this collection because I'll be very happy if I'll get even just one. Right? I don't know who's the secret here. So let's see. Oops, I like my mini babies now. I have new babies. One, two, three. Okay. Oops. He's always dropping. Okay. Let me show you our first figure from the third box. Now, this will be our second figure from this series. So, one, two, three. Oh! Look! This is so cool! It's like a crystal. I like the materials. He looks like a crystal one. Look, guys! I like the translucent material. It's like a crystal. Very nice one. He looks like a unicorn. The one I got here. Okay, this one, the last figure from the series. No, second to the last figure. Nice. I like this, but I don't know how you will stand her or him. Like this? He's not standing. Okay. It's like, I guess you should put some magnet here and use this one as a ref magnet. But this one is so cool as well. I just don't like that he's not standing like the others, but still cool. So let me open the second one. So one, two, three. Oh! Oh, this one is cool. Look, very nice. I like this one. It reminds me of Hiding Behind You from Echo series, but the other ones like the from Hirono from Echo series. The color of Hirono there that he's wearing is like a red one, but this one is pink and he's carrying a small backpack like a ghost. This one is so cute. Very cutie. A very adorable one. Right? I like it. I should get more. Let me proceed with our last foil. I'm sad because I want to open more of these. Okay. We're not getting secret, huh? So, which one we didn't get yet? This one, these two, this one, these two, and this one, right? Hmm. So let's see. Okay. Let me open the third foil, the last foil, and I'm sad. I don't want to stop. So one, two, three. Oh, it's not a secret. It's not a secret, guys. But this one is so cute as well. I like the color. And he's wearing like a back a tip of eye like a eyes like a block of eyes on the head, and this one is so cute. It's also like a crystal one. Okay, guys, what I notice about this selection is like they are matched with each other surprisingly. Like for example, I'll show you guys. Like for example, the crystal one that I got here, he has another color which is like a purple blue. Look, right? I'm not sure. Am I right or am I not? And the other one is these two devil here, the pink and the red one. Look, It seems like they are look goods together, right? Wow, they are all cute. But from this selection, guys, I love them all, but these three are my favorites. So let's see. Let's see if you have other favorites from this selection as well. And if you want me to collect from this series, guys, again, you can comment down below. So guys, let me proceed with our next three boxes, which is another Ozai inside the story series. This one are the new release from Heiwan. This also the beans that we opened a while ago. There are new releases from Heiwan. So I got another three boxes from this series, and this one is like a heavy figures, like this one is a very heavy one. This is the lighter one. This one is mid heavy. So I'm not sure who's I'm gonna get from this selection. So let me start with the lighter one. So this is their box and it's so cool and very artistic. I like the artwork of these boxes, and it's just so colorful. And here they have six confirmed figures and one secret. I'm not sure, but I like them all. But my prio that I wanna get here from this selection is the one in the cover. This one. So let's see, guys. Let me unbox this first box from inside the story series of Ozai. Oops, where is it? Can it up here? Okay. No spoiler. I guess this is a big figure from Ozai. Oops. Oh, I really like their branding, guys. Very nice. Inside the story from Heiwan. Oops. So one, two, three. Oh, who's this? I like the color. Look, guys. One, two, three. Oops, surprise! I like this. This one is so cool. I like the figure. I like the matte finish. I like the gradient color of black and maroon and red with a touch of pink. Very nice one. It's a bandage one. And he has a lot of bandage. And it looks like he's protecting his heart. And there is a mini house here, a glass house. And, you know, his heart is inside of the glass house with a little friend here, like the brown one. I like this one. Very nice one. Even the feet of Ozai here is so cool. I like the intricate details of this one. Very nice figure. I like this. So this is their art card, the Devil's Shelter. And it's like a card. Look. And there's a note. My heart whispers, you're in the quiet of the night, under the moon's gentle light. All is right. Nice one. Inside the story. I like it. I love it actually. So if you love this one as well, guys, you can comment down below. Let's proceed with our second to our last box. Another figure from Ozai inside the story series. And we got here the Devil's Shelter. Yeah, right, the Devil's Shelter. And let's see. They're all cute. They're all beautiful. So as long as it's not a duplicate, I'll be happy with this. And I'll be fine and happy if I'll get a secret. So let's see, guys. I'm so excited because they're all beautiful. Oh no, I should get more of this, right? Should I? Should I get more? Let's see. So this one is heavy. Okay, no spoiler. Oops. This one is so chunky. So let's see. Our next figure is one, two, three. Oh no, this is so cool. Guys, look, this is so beautiful. Ozai here is like a lamp. And it's mentioned here, not happy. Oh, Ozai is sad. Yeah, he's crying. Look, there's a translucent tears in his eyes. Even the clothes of Ozai here is very translucent, very pearlescent finish. I like this one. Look how intricate the details, guys. Very, very beautiful. And there's a small Ozai here. Nice. And even the smoke coming out from the chimney is a blue smoke heart. That Ozai is really, really sad. And I'm sad because of this. Looks so sad. Why, Ozai? You are beautiful here. Okay. Surprisingly, oh no. It's battery operated. Look, guys. No, no. This one. I like this. Look. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. Look. Guys, I should get more of this. Look, guys. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Guys, ang ganda. It's so cool. Let me show you the art card. This is the Castle of the Lost. Let me read the note. My heart whispers you. Oh, just the same one. Just the same note. And this is the Castle of the Lost. Guys, I don't know what to say. And this is a beautiful figure. You should get Osai, guys. I recommend this one. I highly recommend this one. If you like this, guys, you can comment down below. So, guys, this is our last box. And I don't want to stop because I'm unboxing a lot of beautiful items and IPs and figures from Heiwan. And Ozai is a highly recommended figure, guys. Very, very nice one. This one is another heavy figure. We got these two already. I just hope I'll get this one in the cover or this one. Any of these two, actually any of all of them, as long it's not a duplicate from what we unboxed a while ago. So let's see. I should get the complete series, guys, right? Actually, it's worth the money. Worth the price. Very nice figure. Very quality one. So let's see our final figure for today's vlog. Oops, very chunky one. I don't know who's the secret in here. Let me see. No, I guess this one is not a secret because this one is not chunky. So 1, 2, 3. Let me check first. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the one which is the clown like. It mentions her rotation, and he's wearing a wooden mask, and he has a big bow at the back. Look, guys. Okay, it looks like he's a spin top. Is this the spin top, guys? I'm not sure. Look, very nice one. I like the intricate details of this one. Look, this is so cool. So, Osai here is happy, wearing a happy crown, a wooden happy crown. I like the gradient color of the back part. I like the glossy bow with a stitch heart. I'm not sure if he's pretending to be happy because he's holding a wooden happy mask and a wooden happy heart, a happy crown, but he looks so sad. How you will stand this one? Like this? Like this. Cool! Very cool! Let me show you. We didn't get the secret, but this is lost in the spin. This one is so cute. Look, guys. This one's like a spin top. I don't know what's the meaning of 02755 of Ozai. Very nice one. I like Ozai now. Highly recommended figure, guys. Very cute, very quality material, very nice figure. If you agree with me, you can comment down below. So guys, this is the complete set of what we unboxed for today's vlog. Surprisingly, they are all beautiful and adorable, especially the Ozai figures from Heiwan, and I actually love them all, and I don't know or which one I should pick as my favorites. But surprisingly, the big figures that I opened are so cute, and even the beans that I opened, the small figures, are so cute and adorable. But this figure stands out very, very well, and this one, these three from the small one are my favorites. And from the big figures of Ozai, I like the one in the lamp because it lights up like this one. Very, very cute. I like this from the big figure, though I like the other figure as well. And surprisingly, I like Siga from this figure because how artistically done Siga here. She looks very, very mysterious, and you can give a lot of interpretation with this figure, guys. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching my vlog, and if you're still not my subscriber, don't forget to tap the subscribe button and like and share this video. And don't forget also to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. So guys, if you have other comments and suggestions, and if you want me to open another or more of IPs from Heiwan and another figures from Ozai series, you can comment down below. And I hope you had fun. And once again, thanks for watching. Bye!